place value with larger numbers and zeros. See first both the section on place value with zeros in 3-digit numbers and the section on larger numbers. The longer the number, the more careful you have to be in using zeros as placeholders and being able to read the number correctly. We'll build up slowly, putting the digits in the correct columns. 2,346. In writing each number, you should either leave a space, or much clearer, a comma, to make groups of 3 digits from the units side, starting with the units column. 1, 2, 3, and there's the comma.
Very good.
5,807. No tens. 2,091. Nothing in the hundreds column. Now we'll use the next column along, the column for tens of thousands. 31,462. Here's another number, 40,305. Comma to separate them out from the thousands, from the hundreds, tens and units. Nothing in this column and no tens. 62,040. No hundreds, no units. Exactly the same happens for 6-digit numbers. Here is 467,000, 201. Another number, 103,406.
Yep.
590,072. Nothing in this column, and no hundreds. For millions, that is, numbers of at least 7 digits, you need 2 commas, there and there, in the number 1,362,794. Another example, 4,079,302. Nothing in that column and no tens. And lastly, 3,506,081. Nothing in this column and no hundreds. These columns are important in order to add and subtract numbers of different sizes. You must line up the units column, and this makes all the other columns correct. So here's an example of addition. Top number, 1,450,102 plus 23,061. The answer is 1,473,163. And this is an example of subtraction. 8,657,934 take away 206,410. The answer to this subtraction is 8,451,524. Both these examples show that you'll only get the correct answer if the digits are all in exactly the right columns and lined up under one another properly. Have a look at a few numbers using a slightly different layout sheet, which might make things even clearer. 36,000, there are the thousands, 705. Another number, 604,091. And lastly, 5,073,426. So in all 3 of these examples, the millions are in that section, the thousands are in that section, and here's for hundreds, tens and units.